So welcome all of you. So in this video we talk about new sensors, which is a humidity based like humidity sensor, which is inspired by camel's nose. As we know, the camels is desert animal, and these camels and they have one of the best capabilities in their nostrils to detect the humidity of surrounding humidities. And how this happens, because in the desert, definitely if there is a water, they can store that water for the longer period, and camel can survive without water also for the longer days. So that's why they have this humidity. They developed by the evolution such kind of humidity sensor, so they can detect whether is water source is available. So that camel's nose having the nostrils, which nostrils is filled with the bigger floor space, which detecting the humidities, and this floor space is filled with the moisture absorbing mucus. So that kind of thing. So scientists try to mimic such kind of camel's nose features in their nanosensors. So there is a zwitterions, and these zwitterions have capability to absorb moisture. So what the scientist does, they arrange these zwitterions in a nano platforms, and these zwitterions have capacitance. So whenever the moisture is available, they change in the capacitance, and once they change in capacitance, anyone can detect, okay, that is it means it indicates the presence of moisture. And how this capacitance changes, as we already know, there's a basic science in our school days what we have studies. If there is a two plates, and if there is a two plates, and between which if we change any kind of material, if it is a solid, if it is a liquid, and if a liquid is which kind of liquid is filled, so there is a change in capacitance. Even in the nanosensor level, we call the fringe capacitance also sometimes. So definitely if anything comes between that plate, it change in capacitance, and that change in capacitance we can measure it. And if this change is happening, so we can say, okay, there is a presence of moisture. So this kind of nanosensor they have designed, and this nanosensor is a very tiny that can fit on a finger itself as a ring even, and between these fingers. So this nanosensor has been developed, and which is one of the benchmark to making the robotic systems to more functional like robotic systems, or even we can say it can replace the camels for detecting the moisture ones. Because in some other areas, like even the army forces who working in the desert areas, like somewhere in some battle war or something, or maybe where suppose if in if it is extra planetary research, where people need to design or detect anything, moisture kind of stuff, something. So definitely they can make such a bigger project with such kind of nanosensor. They already have that kind of high level of sensor, but this is one of the steps where we can they develop at the nano level. So we can enhance it after optimizations, and also we can get a more accuracy and more deep inside, like moisture something, we can detect that. So but this sensor which has been developed now, it is able to detect the moisture in surrounding atmosphere. You having that moisture, so it can detect that, and it is very tiny, very portable. So definitely there is no, and there is other sensors are also, but those are very bulky one, and the costly also. So yeah, so that is one of the best research I found, so I like to share with all of you. So for this video, that's it for now, and we will meet with some another video. And if you want further explanations on that, like any kind of things, if you need further explanations on these kind of nanotechnology based any topic, any subjects or anything, just DM me, and then we will see how we can proceed. Okay, thank you, thanks for your valuable time. Bye, take care.